Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my mommy's channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Are you guys excited to open this giant package? I'm excited too. Let's see what's inside. Wow, this is BACCARAT STONE oil-free cookware set for my mom. Let's open this set and see how it looks like. Let's take it out one by one and then let's see. These teeny tiny gloves are not for babies, it's for holding pots. This is the glass lid for the saute pan. Now let's open the saucepan. Now let's open the casserole. You can make lentils and soups and many more. Now let's open the roaster. You can roast the chicken and grill the fish. This is just an old boring fry pan, but it comes very handy. Let's unpackage the griller. You can grill the steaks and many more things. And this is a teeny tiny milk pan. You can make a variety of food in each different pans and pots. This has a lifetime warranty if you use with care, and this is not a sponsored video.